Greetings friends and fellow cigar box guitar enthusiasts. Del Puckett here, and I just finished up another one of these transparent reticle boxes that I got from work. And this does have the psycho knob here. I'm going to show you all of this stuff here up close and personal. I do have the blue buttons for the inlays. Look at that. Awesome. Gold screws for the top. Scarf. I mean, look at that. With a veneer on the top. This guitar is not only a looker, but it's also got a spring on the inside. But listen to the sound of this thing acoustic. Are you kidding me? Before I show you the insides, I want to get these dadgum things off. So I'm tuned E, B, E, and this is the 44 gauge, the 34 gauge, and the 26 gauge, and these are all wound. And these are acoustic strings, and they work perfectly with the single coil pickup here in the neck position. So I want to show you as much as I can through the box. I will point and then I'll open it up and let you see the inside here. So right off the bat, here's the jack here. Okay, this is the jack, and there is a ground wire that comes up to here and then through this hole up to the inside underside of this guy. And then so the bridge is grounded. It comes up through here, and then I put the wire and it goes down through here. So it's kind of a double ground. Both of these screws are grounded, which means all of the metal is grounded. So that's the first thing to point out. So that here, the piezo is mounted directly underneath the saddle. So when the pickup is in the, this is the selector, three-way switch. And actually I have the piezo here. So when it's in this position here, the piezo that's underneath the saddle, and you can see this wire that comes out right here, half of it goes to the ground and then the other half goes to the switch. This pickup here also, you can see the wires here coming around, and I got it routed around. It goes to the other side of the switch. So when it's in the middle, it's both. When it's on this side, it's the single coil. And when it's on this side, I know that's kind of backwards, but it's okay. I'm dyslexic and it's okay. I could just flop the switch around if I wanted to, but I like the way it looks on this side here to have it on this side. So if that bothers you, whatever, you can just take these two screws out, turn the switch around, put it back in, and then it'd be the reverse. But you know, I don't really care about that kind of stuff. Anyhow, so I do have a volume control here. Oh, so let me tell you about the psycho knob here. So out of the switch, the output of the switch goes to the input of the psycho knob. Now this psycho knob here is a 5-stage gain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll go through the sound samples of that in a minute. The output of the psycho knob goes through the potentiometer, so I can turn the volume up or down. And then the output of the potentiometer goes to the jack, so you can plug it in to your amplifier. So I will open this up so you can see the insides and what an awesome job I did of soldering. So the back of the chassis of this thing here is a common ground for a bunch of them. Of course I have wire ties. I have extra wire that I just kind of folded up and put in here. I could have cut them shorter and made everything neater and cleaner, but I figured since it was see-through, transparent, that it'd be kind of cool to see a bunch of electronics and wires and circuits and whatnot in there. So my other guitar that is built similar to this is covered with stickers, and this one also, if you did decide to put some stickers on it, would be very, very cool in my opinion. You have to be strategic where to put the stickers. I like to put them on the back side, on the front of the back side, and then on this side facing the other way, and then this side, you know, so you have many options to create a lot of dimension. The last thing I wanted to point out is just the large single sound hole in the middle. I think that's just I just like the way it looks, and you know, as far as the sound, you know, I'm not really sure if it adds to the sound. Now, this plastic box definitely has a deeper, richer, rounder, almost a warmer, more mid-rangey tone. All right, let's plug it in. I'm going to plug into the Roland Micro Cube, and if you notice there, all the effects are down and the gain is absolutely off, and I'm on the clean setting with the volume at about 9 o'clock. I got my short leash. Okay, so I'm on the both pickup here. So this is the this here is the Piezo. I'm gonna turn it up just a little bit. Just feel the guts on this thing. Oh my gosh! Wow. Okay, and then so this will be the single coil here. Again, it's just fat sounding. So going back to the middle, I like the middle because it gets the best of both worlds. I get the spring, reverb, and then the guts of the single coil. But so this is on, that's down. Here's the volume, full blast. Now here's this gain switch. I'm just gonna go through it really quick. Listen to this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So like 2 clicks up, you get a really good, meaty, beefy sound. So we dialed up some delicious swirl. Tell me if you recognize these notes. Something like that. So what happens when you turn up the reverb and you combine that with the natural reverb, so I get this spring with the reverb on the amp, you get probably saying, yeah, but what about the clean sounds? All right, I rolled off the gain, rolled back the psycho knob, got it in the middle position here, so here's some clean sounds.